Hello my friends, do you like piña colada? Well, I do. It's one of my most favorite cocktails. It seems like every cocktail is my favorite cocktail. I like piña colada because it's sweet, creamy, looks perfect, and it's also healthy. If you use a fresh pineapple, you can get a daily dose of vitamin C. So why not to start the day with a vitamin bomb and a good mood on top of it?
Piña colada is originally from the Caribbean, to be exact from Puerto Rico. There are two versions of piña colada, basic shaken and a pro version prepared with a blender from fresh pineapple. Oh, by the way, piña means pineapple, it's a Spanish word.
I'm going to prepare a blended version of piña colada using a fresh pineapple. First of all, this is not the best blender. Actually, it's not a blender, it's a small kitchen chopper. But I'm gonna use it because it works fine too. But if you guys have a normal blender, use it. I'm not going to use a shaker, but if you guys don't have a blender or any similar kitchen gadget, you will have to use a shaker, obviously. Simply add pineapple juice instead of fresh pineapple, and that's basically it. Okay, so for a blended version of piña colada, we need to add all the ingredients into the blender. Well, into this. So first you need to cut pineapple. Approximately this amount of pineapple. It's actually a small part of pineapple that is missing here.
Okay, so first pineapple. Now add 60 milliliters of white rum. Yeah, you can simply pour it, that works too. And very important, cream of coconut. That's not a coconut cream or milk. You can either buy it or you can make it at home. It's just a coconut cream and sugar. Cook it on a low heat for a few minutes until it gets creamy and slightly transparent. That's it.
If you guys have a normal blender, you can use ice cubes. I want to help my chopper a bit, so I will use crushed ice. And you can also add 50 milliliters of pineapple juice because my piña colada glass is pretty big and it should be full. And that's it. Piña colada is ready. And for garnish, use a pineapple wedge, a pineapple leaf, or maybe two, as you wish. That's one. I think that's enough. And you can also use a Maraschino cherry, which looks perfect. But for me, it's already too sweet, so eating this sweet stuff, it's like But anyway, it looks good as a decoration. As I already mentioned, this is one of the best cocktails for me. Yeah, I know it's better in the summer, somewhere on the beach, but let's practice now, and next summer you will be a piña colada expert. Adios, amigos.